Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muzadid Alfisani. You can call me Aris. Now I want to tell you about my unforgettable experience. One night we planned to camp on the shore of the Beach. The next day we also asked permission from our parents. We also left at 3 o'clock. Our trip took about 14 minutes and finally we arrived at our destination. After arriving, I and my oldest friends sat and relaxed while enjoying the ducks that was so fresh because the weather suddenly became cloudy along with the coming of the wind. We also tried to set up a tent that we broke even though the wind was so strong. And finally the tent stood up. I came my other friends and I started serving food because the stomach was getting hungry. After we ate, we had fun and swayed like a party person while playing with the music. Suddenly, a local resident approached us. He said not to have too much fun here and always be self-aware. But my friend ignored the person said. Suddenly at 9 o'clock p.m., heavy rain fell and soaked our tent. Finally, we dismantled the tent that we had installed and took shelter in a local cafe that was still open. The rain started to stop. Finally, we returned to our starting place and put back the wheat tent. Stranger, after we put up the tent, heavy rain fell again as if it wanted the tent. Stranger, after we put up the tent, heavy rain fell again as if it wanted to expel us from the place. Then we took to act. Then we took to ex. Then we took shelter in the stall that was closed again. The clock showed 8 o'clock. Finally, there was a debate between me and my other friends. We had to cross to hit the rain to go home or spend the night with. Finally, my friends and I decided to go home. Stranger, when we got out of the beach, there was no asphalt at all. With even though the rain was very heavy. We also feel at we also feel that our presence there is not liked by the witchmen of the place. On the way, I saw an apparition of a woman sitting in a tree. I thought it was just hallucination. It turned out be it turned out to be really clear. We arrived safely to Dompu. Finally, we decided to sleep at my we will go home at 1 o'clock. When we go home, we also started how we feel when we get there. I was my turn to feel that I fear. I told him that when I came home, I saw a woman sitting on a tree. At first, my friends didn't believe it, but it turned out that I was the only one who saw it. It turns out the one my friends also saw it in mad. My other friends believed my before. From my story above, we can take lesson that might be considered trivial. Respect other culture even when they are invisible. Maybe that's it. That only experience that I can share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.